Well, here we are at the end of Automotive Logistics and Supply Chain UK here at Mercedes-Benz World in Weybridge. And I'm surrounded by old race cars, the track outside with race cars speeding around. I feel like speed is part of our whole theme here in the UK supply chain right now. How do we keep up with new competitors? How do we keep pace with changing regulations? How do you possibly keep the supply chain stable at a time of such disruption? But these are just the facts of what we have to face, and a lot of our speakers and partners were focused on that today. So we heard from Heiko Gerhardt from JLR, who's led material fulfillment, about ways that you can create a supply chain organization that makes decisions faster by getting intelligence to the right point, by having responsibility in the right teams, and using AI tools where they suit. And then Chris Payne from Tier 1 supplier Dow Corporation, formerly JKN and American Axle, who have just undergone a merger and have to find synergies as faster than ever before across these two companies, at the same time, of course, of keeping the industry, keeping logistics on pace. And this is really, Chris pointed to the importance of logistics partnership and sharing information very fast across in each direction. We also had some examples of how digitalization and AI can further facilitate the speed. Johan Lindell, who leads AI digitalization for Scania Logistics, talked about using AI for EDI, and also introducing Gen AI into a packaging workflow to automate many processes of packaging engineering. And at the same time that Stuart Clark from Ford talked about using digital twins to virtualize material flow and assembly and line feeding, being able to, again, implement models and launches faster than ever before. So this speed comes down to what's going to keep the UK supply chain competitive, smart, which again is a theme across our event over the last 2 days. And it's something we're going to have to work as an industry to achieve, both keeping government informed, because government needs to invest in new infrastructure and rail. We need to transform many roles to better work with AI and digital tools. And we'll need the partnerships that cut across the supply chain to make that possible. And that's what this event is all about, really, bringing those pieces together, trying to keep us working at pace. And I hope you'll keep up with us, because we're going to share a lot more highlights from across the event here on LinkedIn or on Automotive Logistics, and much more besides, as this theme of pace continues across our events, whether that's in the US, Mexico, Asia, Europe, or right here in the UK, where we're already looking forward to be back here in 2027. So that's it for us here. We're going to have the rest of our great events. We have our Afterglow networking to bring people together one last time before we go out into that midsummer weather here and enjoy it. So thanks so much for keeping us with us. A lot more to come from Automotive Logistics and Supply Chain UK.